Ever found yourself needing medical advice at the most inconvenient time? Welcome to Health News. I'm Deborah. In today's digital age, accessing healthcare has transformed with telehealth. But what exactly is it? And how can it make your life easier? Stay tuned as we dive into the world of healthcare at your fingertips. Before all that, if you're eager to stay updated on how technology is revolutionizing healthcare, make sure to hit that subscribe button. For direct access to telehealth services and clinics, check out the links in the description below for PlushCare, Sesame, and Doctor House virtual services. All right. In a world where convenience is king, healthcare is no exception. Telehealth, a term that's becoming increasingly familiar, is revolutionizing the way we approach medical care. But what exactly is telehealth? It's healthcare reimagined through the lens of technology. Video chats with doctors, remote monitoring of chronic conditions, and even accessing your medical records online. It's healthcare that's easily accessible regardless of time and place. The benefits of telehealth are transformative. For starters, it breaks down geographical barriers, bringing specialist care to remote areas. It also reduces the need for travel, saving time and resources for both patients and healthcare providers. During health crises like the COVID-19 pandemic, telehealth has been crucial in providing care while minimizing exposure to the virus. And let's not overlook the ease of managing chronic conditions from home with improved monitoring and communication tools that telehealth offers. But how does telehealth stand apart from telemedicine? While you might hear these terms used interchangeably, they have distinct meanings. Telemedicine focuses on the remote delivery of clinical services like diagnoses and monitoring. Telehealth, however, encompasses a broader scope, including preventative health education, remote monitoring, and even administrative meetings. In essence, telehealth is not just about making healthcare more convenient. It's about making it more equitable, ensuring that every individual has the opportunity to access quality care. Whether it's a video consultation with a specialist hundreds of miles away, receiving a text reminder to take your medication, or having your health data monitored in real time, telehealth is reshaping the healthcare landscape to be more accessible, personalized, and efficient. Embarking on your telehealth journey might seem daunting at first, but with the right preparation, you can have it be as seamless as your traditional doctor's visit. So let's break down what you'll need to get started. First off, the essentials: a stable internet connection and a device equipped with a camera and a microphone, like a smartphone, a tablet, a computer. These tools are your gateway to accessing healthcare from anywhere. But how do you actually kickstart your telehealth experience? It's simpler than you might think. Begin by checking with your current healthcare providers. Many have embraced telehealth, especially in recent times. If they offer such services, they can guide you on how to book your virtual appointment. Don't have a provider in mind? Your insurance company or local health centers might offer telehealth options that cater to your needs, ensuring that you don't have to compromise on quality care. Also, you can always try PlushCare, Sesame, and Doctor House virtual clinics. And what about preparing for your first telehealth appointment? It's all about creating the right environment. Choose a quiet, private space where you won't be disturbed. Test your internet connection ahead of time and avoid any disruptions. And make sure your device is charged and ready to go. If your appointment involves a video chat, familiarize yourself with the app or platform that you'll be using and try to log in a few minutes early to settle any last-minute technical glitches. Accessibility is key in telehealth. But what if your internet is unreliable or you don't own a smartphone? Fear not, because telehealth strives to be inclusive. Programs like the Affordable Connectivity Program aim to provide internet services at reduced costs or even for free to eligible households. Additionally, telehealth services can often be accessed through simpler means such as phone calls, SMS, or through secure messaging on patient portals, ensuring that everyone, regardless of their digital access, can receive the care they need. Setting up for telehealth may initially require a bit of effort, but the convenience and accessibility it offers makes it well worth it. By embracing these digital health tools, you're not just adapting to the new age of healthcare, you're actively participating in a system that prioritizes your health and well-being, regardless of where you are. Telehealth is reshaping what it means to see your doctor. But what types of care can you receive through your screen? Well, the scope is broader than you might think. From follow-up consultations after lab tests to managing chronic conditions and even mental health services, telehealth is equipped to offer comprehensive care. You can discuss your lab results in real time, have a post-surgical checkup, or even receive physical therapy through guided exercises that you can do at home. But how does payment work for these virtual visits? It's a common question with a reassuring answer. Most insurance plans, including Medicare and Medicaid, have expanded coverage to include telehealth services, especially in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. This means that in many cases, you can access telehealth services with the same copay as an in-person visit, but it's important to check with your insurance provider for the specifics of your coverage. And what if you don't have insurance? Or if your provider is out of network? Many telehealth platforms offer visits at a flat rate, making healthcare accessible even without insurance. Plus, some healthcare systems and clinics provide sliding scale fees based on income, ensuring the care is available to those who need it, regardless of their financial situation. Telehealth's versatility doesn't stop at how you can use it. It extends to how you can pay for it, ensuring that everyone has access to the care they need. Whether you're dealing with a minor health issue or need ongoing support for chronic conditions, telehealth opens the door to a world of possibilities, making healthcare more accessible, more convenient, and tailored to your needs. For more insights into how technology is transforming health and wellness, don't forget to subscribe to Health News. Check out the links below for our recommended telehealth services, and if you're looking for more content like this, explore our channel for other informative videos.